So good old Super Vegito is back in, not featured. He's in S tier, I think, A tier, one of the two. Anyway, let's use him. Let's have some fun today. Alright, what do we got for the first match? Okay, this looks very not fun. Alright. Gonna have to tone down the swearing a little bit, because last video got age restricted. Thanks for the PV, dude. Crazy part is, I know, we're swapping into Shallet now. Yeah. So, he did pretty end damage, I mean. Feint, I saw that feint! Nope. Don't have a blue! Nope. Backhand! Oh, that did actually no damage. There's a swap. You don't have Vanish, big dog. You can't swap into anyone. Rush his ass. Get the rush in. This is probably gonna guess. Yeah, as expected. Transformation. Okay. Good thing I did. Oh my god. Okay, cool. Don't destroy my greens. Don't destroy my greens. You. Did I not sidestep? Okay, cool. Great. Don't get locked in a feint. Okay, cool. He has 2 blues. That's just great. He got locked. Oh, God, he got locked in health. Nice mid-range strike. Don't swap, thank you. Alright, cool. We have 3 blues. Okay, this is feint. I saw feint. I saw that feint. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit. Let's see if we can try to. Of course. He dropped. Why would you drop that? Okay, damn. I was not first, apparently. No! Game, that's cool. Well, I could just do this, really. He just... Okay. Oh, no. Could I not cancel that in time? Like, okay, so there's no reason just to... We need him up in the air. Triple success, I'll take. Brother is just... Okay. Okay, cool. He is just full range striking at this point, so it doesn't matter. It is strike code. Fake out. We're gonna actually let this hit us. That destroyed the ult! You... Why would you do that, Gogeta? Gogeta, why would you do that? Why would you? I should have just ulted if that was the case then. Brother, why didn't I just ult? Oh my god, I should have just actually ulted. I am such an idiot. Wow. No! He just goes away. No, say goodbye to the endurance. Fall back a little bit. You're just gonna sit here like a statue, I bet you. Yep. Okay, that's cool. What do you get? I didn't see what he got. I still have to look the damage up if I got chance to see that. Ah. What? Like, did I not sidestep that? Oh, dude, this is such a good game. Like, we're gonna go right away here. Okay, he just Hail Marys that for some reason. What? Brother, did I not? So I PV his thing and then I can't tap? Okay. Okay, cool, dude. I mean, I should still have my endurance, so. Let's say, like, my endurance. No. Oh, wait, we get type neutral on this. Oh, we get type neutral on this. Oh, my God. Yep. Yeah, this guy was deadly back then, dude. I didn't see no cancel buff effects! I didn't see no cancel buff effects. Oh, he's dead. Cool. Alright. That's sick. Thanks for the blue game. Thanks for feeding me. There's no way. I hit him with a blue and an ult, dude. Like, yeah, come on. Alright. That was a good showing. Let's move on to the next match before I lose my mind. Alright, we got... double red. Great. Alright. He's running a good old fusion warrior setup. Just like... oh, not fusion warrior, no way. So he has a blue now. Fuck it. Hey, it worked somehow. We're actually gonna do this. Do this. Honestly, just do this. What do we get? We got penetrate damage guard. Cool. Well, they couldn't have gotten the faint shallet. Key. No! Wait, we're type neutral for at least a little bit, I think? Yeah, we're type neutral. Crap. Good. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, dude. He was waiting. I should have sent that away. Brother. Can I not vanish? Like, dude, I am vanishing! Disrupt. Get rid of everything. Like, dude, I am vanishing. I don't understand what's wrong. Okay, cool. I saw penetrate. He got penetrate damage guard. Why would you do that? He's just dead. He's just dead now. Why would you even think of doing that? Hot main, it's early, but might as well try to catch him. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's actually just beautiful, dude. That's actually just beautiful. Does he cancel buff effects? I didn't see cancel buff effects, so there's a chance. Did pop a green, did get legend action. Shallet, you want to actually be able to kill something or no? PV's welcome here. I don't know why I said it like that, but hey, there goes the endurance, big dog. That's another cancel buff effect out of the way. I'm gonna go away with the blue suit guys. No! Okay, damn, I'm depressed now. USG is not taking. I have endurance. I have endurance. Like, you didn't. Yeah, they didn't use a blue and they didn't legend action, so yeah, 10 mil, nice. Cool. Ended off with the skill button. Very skillful button, dude. I'm actually not sure if this is gonna kill. If we had double Zenkai buff, I'd be confident, but only one time Zenkai buff. Oh, this is killing it. Get out of here, you little monkey. Alright, let's move on to the next match. Alright, is this, I don't know what the fuck this is. Alright, let's see, Broly, good old movies. Thanks for the vanish, dickhead. Don't destroy my green, thank you. Three, two, one, drop. Mystical Man had a green. Did you get a feint? He reduced my fucking Q. And he has. Okay. Brother, how? Okay! Thanks for the PV, dickhead. Give me my damage up. He just goes right away with another fucking blast. You know, is that green card boy? Yes, you are. Feint. That's good. I did it wrong. Are you shitting me, dude? Brother. I can't even swap to Gogeta because he doesn't have endurance. And okay. Cool. Magician! What the fuck? Pairing me up against these wizards now, game? Like, what the hell? I'm going up against these wizards, like, what? Okay, just casually fucking double guessed. Don't swap the Shallet. Cool, he's dead. Game pairs me up against the wizards! Alright, that's the entire team at 1 HP. I hope you know we're still hunting for the Shallet LF, like. Okay, cool. Stop the Shallet. We don't have endurance anymore. Are you kidding me? Cool. Fuck off. You wanna go right away like an idiot? No? Cool. 20 cost. I actually couldn't do shit there. Are you kidding me, dude? Risk it on a strike. Okay, good. Had to risk it on a strike card, dude. You wanna kill? Oh my god! He just does that, cool. He waited that whole time? Oh my god. I saw lock-in, so. Go right away. Ha ha! Alright, Vegito. Never mind, we have no key. Gosh, dude, we had no key. That's always great. We love having no key. Isn't it just the best in this metaphor of disrupt? Vegito, why you coming on my screen like that, boy? Man said, give me your money. Oh, we got Vegeta clan. I'm probably gonna make this the last match. Alright, Yosha, we understand it, Vegito. Honestly, let's just go right away with this. Let's see what he does. You gonna wait, or are you gonna... Oh! Are you kidding me, dude? You got any key disrupt? Okay, he barely just got above 30 key. Key disrupt, dude! That's not killing you. No, that's killing you. He got all this off a lucky, off of basically a luck. Let's call it what it is. A lucky cut. That's a. How is that not a long animation? How the hell was that not a long animation game? I don't even know how the hell he got a rush. I should have went with green. It's green card. Wow, cool, dude. There goes one of my units just like that because this fuck dude, like, you're gonna look me dead in the eye and tell me that, yeah, cool. You don't, yeah, he has uncancelable, fucking cancelable fucking doing so. Nice disrupt, dickhead. What? Okay. How does he still have cover null? That's okay. The type neutral, so it doesn't really matter. He wants me on the ground. I could easily tell you that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Like, he just goes for it. Okay, that was terrible, brother. I can't win a single 50-50 here. I either can't win 50-50s or I'm just getting butt fucked by the game. Like, there's no in between. There's no in between, dude. Like, I either get butt fucked or I don't get butt fucked. He guessed all damage too, by the way. He goes right away. Got another one, dude? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, let's just get this over with, dude. Give me my main. Alright. Get out of here with the skill button, dude. I'm gonna yap, dude. Super Vegito! I mean, he can kind of put some work done if only there wasn't a red unit. Yeah, disconnect, you little bitch. But yeah, if only he was, you know, I guess a little bit. I don't know. I mean, I have only one copy. Maybe he's better at higher stars. I don't know. Yeah. Overall, he is pretty decent, I would say. I mean, just a shame that every team we ran into had, I think nearly every team we went into had one red. He's good against anything that isn't red, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, use him if you want. He's not like Tree of Might or God forbid Pycon, who's actually useless. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.